You stink. Take a shower.
Hey, you got all kinds of wax in your ears, eh? You gotta clean them or something, eh?
Shut up, man.
Hey, what is she doing here?
Man, lady, it stinks.
It smells like tea spirit or something, eh?
How many days or hours has it been since you guys took a shower?
Okay, that's not good, lady. Hey, what's wrong, skunk?
Hey, see, lady, you got sick.
Help me up, Scrap. Help me up.
Are you alright?
Help me up, Scrap.
What'd you do that for?
Courtesy, man.
I'll apologize.
Give us courtesy. It's our property.
No, this is the subway.
Apologize or something, you right, Skunky?
Yeah, I think I'll live.
Dumb lady.
What's up with that dress, man? Why is it so clean?
What's up with your rags? Why is it so dirty?
Because that's what I wear. Those are rags.